All right, welcome back over to the R44 YouTube channel. We are fitting some mods on a beautiful car. We got a G87 M2 finished in Brooklyn Grey. This customer is a legend. He recently swapped out his M4 for this. So far, he's really enjoying it, but he does need some core mods. Guys and girls, we don't just have G87 M2 parts. We have parts for every BMW, and especially the M models. So if you've got an E90 like this, or an E92, or an F87, F80, whatever you have, there's some amazing deals on our website. It's Black Friday, so we just cut the price, made it better for you. So get shopping today, enjoy some savings, and have a good time. So we've got this beautiful sports, no, it's actually a race Remus system. So this is an OPF Back system. So it goes after the particular filters, which are street legal filters or requirements. So this is fully street legal. He's finished it off with some gloss black tips, which I think are gonna look really good. He's getting rid of these horrible white DRLs, putting some yellow ones. He's got MHC front splitter. It's gonna obviously look amazing. He's got MHC rear spoiler. And to finish off the rear, we've installed an LCI M2 badge, but you're gonna see all of that now. So let's get this car up in the air. Let's get installed in the exhaust system first. He's also got a valve controller, so we'll show you that as well. Has he got spacers yet? Not yet, so he definitely needs some. But let's get installing this. Let's hear it sounds in stock form, and then let's hear how it sounds after. I mentioned that this customer needed some spacers, so of course he's over there. We have a lovely warehouse over there, and we have some BIMX spacers. So we're going to fit a full set of 15mm spacers. So let's see how they look. He asked, didn't want it too aggressive, too not enough. So I think a 15 is pretty good. I run a 20. He'll have a 15. Some people run a 10 or a 12, but let's try it. 15mm BIMX spacer, and then he asked about rubbing, and I said, oh, it's a bit of a sticky one on these G series. They do just all naturally rub when you do have spacers or springs. So what happens is over time these break. And they will click. They'll click like that when you're reversing or anything like that. And the worst thing is you're pulling up at a wedding, you're reversing your nice car and it's clicking. So what we're gonna do now is cut these all out on both sides and let me show you something. All right, so when I'm eating my lunch, so it's a little bit of a technical one, but no. So we've obviously removed all the mesh, which is nice, and then we've got these little aluminium panels that go in, and they're screwed in, but with 4 different screws. It's 4 screws, 4 washers, 4 nuts. All you need is one of these, little Allen key. You need a little pliers to get on the back end of the nuts, and a little small drill bit. So you just get in there, and the best thing is you start on one corner, drill it through, put 1 screw through, drill that through there. You just put that in there like so, and you thread it in. That'll then create a bit of a position, go on the back. You can see it coming through. Guys and girls, if you've enjoyed this video, check out the other ones. We're continuously pushing mods on these G87s. So check out the other videos below, and yeah, have a good one.